Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Nissan Sentra's idle speed. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver, a wrench, and a reliable tachometer. It is crucial to warm up your engine to its normal operating temperature before making any adjustments. This ensures accurate readings and proper engine response. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for the precise idle speed specifications for your particular model. Next, you will need to locate the idle adjustment screw. This screw is typically found on the throttle body, which is a component situated between the air intake hose and the engine's intake manifold. Carefully inspect the throttle body for a small, often brass, screw that usually has a spring around it. This specific screw directly regulates the amount of air that bypasses the main throttle plate, thereby controlling your engine's idle speed. Now, let's make the adjustment. If your vehicle does not have a built-in tachometer, connect an external one to accurately monitor your engine's revolutions per minute. With the engine running, slowly turn the idle adjustment screw either clockwise to decrease the idle speed or counterclockwise to increase it. Make very small, quarter-turn adjustments, allowing the engine to stabilize for several seconds after each turn until you reach the specified idle speed. After adjusting, it is important to test your vehicle. Take your Nissan Sentra for a short drive to ensure the idle is smooth and acceleration feels normal. Pay close attention to any unusual engine noises or vibrations when the car is idling. Once you return, recheck the idle speed with your tachometer to confirm it remains stable and within the recommended range. This final check ensures your adjustment is effective and lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.